If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in parabola basic level. So today we will see again the four shapes of the parabola, but here the origin is shifted. Now it is not in 0 0, the origin is shifted to hk. Now with this shift, how these coordinates of the vertices, focus, tangents, axis is changing, let's see that. And then we will see some definition of some terms in parabola. What do you mean by focal distance, focal chord and double ordinates? So we will see all this. Okay, then let's see this. Now this is the standard from, now origin is not at 0 0, so origin is shifted. So now one I will draw, then you will understand the better. Suppose this is the parabola. So this is its vertex, suppose. This is its axis. So this is now h comma k. So once I draw one, then you can understand. So suppose this is my focus f. So what is the distance? I always take a unit. So it is, what will be its coordinate? So okay, let me mark focus here. Coordinate you will write. What will be directrix? Directrix will be same a unit behind this. So this is my directrix. So you got your directrix, you got your focus. Now write the coordinate. That's it. So from here to here it was h. Now you added a. You are moving a unit from here, so it will be h plus a, because from here to here it was h. This is x-axis, this is y, this is your origin. So this was h, so you move a unit further, so it is h plus a comma k. Here this is x equal to, what is the distance? This was h. Now you are going a unit behind, so it is h minus a. H, suppose it is 2, you are going 3 unit behind, so it is 2 minus 3 minus 1 it will be. So here x is equal to h minus a. So everything will change like this. That's it. What is the axis here? Because it is parallel to x-axis, so it is y equal to k, this line. What is its tangent? Tangent is at this point x equal to h. So everything goes in this way only. So that's the way. So you don't need to remember this one. And what will be the equation? In place of x, it will be x minus h, which I told you how to change origin in coordinate geometry. So in first coordinate geometry and straight line. So you can see, for if it moves to h comma k, then in place of x we write x minus h, in place of y we write y minus k. That's it. So your equation becomes this. If your equation of this format, then you think that okay, my coordinate is at h comma k. So if it is at h comma k, then you can think it from your own. What will be your focus? No need to remember all these. You can draw a simple one and you can find it. So all things, letter system is always 4a. Axis is y equal to k. So everything I have written here. Similarly, if you come to this side now, so this is your hk. So focus will be here, somewhere here. So it is at a unit from here. This is your xy axis. So directrix will be a unit from this side. So what will be your focus coordinate? Because this is h and you are moving this up to, from here to here it is h, and you are going back. So h minus a comma k. What will be directrix up to here h? Now you are moving further a unit, because this distance and directrix distance will be same. So it will be h plus a. So tangent is x equal to, so if you draw a tangent it is x equal to h. If you draw a letter system it is 4a. Axis of parabola is this one, y equal to k. For anything now you can draw. For here also. Now your focus will be shifted from this point to here, because it is a unit from the vertex. So it is h comma k. So h will remain same. K will increase here a times. And directrix will be below k minus a. So you can say your focus is here, directrix is k minus a, because it will be, this is vertex. Once focus is this side, then vertex becomes, then directrix becomes in opposite side, same distance. Tangent you can draw letter sectum. What is the tangent? This is the tangent. Parallel to x-axis, that means y equal to k. Letter sectum is always 4a. Axis is this one, x equal to, this is parallel to y-axis, the x equal to h. Similarly, you can draw for this one also. This is upside down. That is, what is its equation? It will be, I have not written. Its equation is x square equal to 4ay. Instead of x, you will write x minus h. Instead of y, you will write y minus k. Here it will be x minus h whole square. Minus will be there because it is down. It is crying parabola. So h comma k again. A is the vertex, that is h comma k. Focus will be now. This is, you are coming a unit below that, so it is k minus a. Directrix will be a unit up that, so it is k plus a, and rest are same. So no need to remember these things. You draw from your own one time, and then you can really understand where each point is going. So in the questions also we will try to draw. We will not write directly formula. We will draw it and we will see where is my focus, where is my directrix. Now some of the definitions in parabola, it's important. What is focal distance? The distance of a point on parabola from its focus. Suppose you have a parabola, and if you have a focus. You take any point, this distance is known as focal distance. From that point to the focus is known as focal distance. What is focal chord? I told you any chord that passes through focus is known as focal chord. All these chords are known as focal chord. Now what is double ordinate? That I skipped there for latus rectum. So some book you will find definition of latus rectum in terms of double ordinate also. What is double ordinate? A chord of parabola which is perpendicular to this one. Exactly the same thing that we defined here. It is should go through focus, it is perpendicular. So a focal chord of parabola, only a chord of parabola which is perpendicular to this. All these chords, these are double ordinate. Why this is double ordinate? Because if you take the length, if you take the ordinate here, you know it was 2a, so 2a is, if it is up, same 2a will be down. So if you multiply that ordinate by 2, suppose it is 2 comma 4, so you know it is 2 comma minus 4. So what will be length? It will be 4 into 2. So it is just double of the ordinate, that's why it is known as double ordinate. So all these chords which are perpendicular to this one, that's one known as double ordinate. And out of that double ordinate which goes through focus, that gives me latus rectum. So initially I have written it this way, as the double ordinate through the focus. The double ordinate that goes through the focus, that becomes your latus rectum. Distance between focus and directrix. What is the distance between focus and the directrix? That you know. Focus and the directrix. What is the distance? A plus A, 2A. It is a unit this side, it is a unit. So what is the distance? 2A. So 2A is half of latus rectum. Latus rectum is 4A. So that is half. Two parabolas are said to be equal if they have same latus rectum. If the mouth of the parabola is same, then we will say they are equal. So if the latus rectum same, then we say this parabola are equal parabola. That is the measurement of how parabola becomes. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.